Hey guys, welcome to our workout from home channel. We are on day 28 workout and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. So before getting into the workout, let's do some warm up. For the warm up, we are doing 10 A squats. Make sure you are going below the knees and then you're looking forward, chest is high. And once we are done with 10 A squats, give 10 good mornings. Make sure your back is flat and then you're bending your knees a little bit so you get good stretch on the hamstring. And after good mornings, you can do 10 calf raises. So calf raises, you'll be just standing on your toes like this. So do 10 of these. If you're not able to do that, you can just stand against the wall and then stretch your calf in this way as well. After the calf raises, we are going to do 5 walkouts. For the walkouts, touch your toes, walk forward, get into a high plank position, then to upward dog, and then back onto the downward dog position. Give a pause here, and then walk back. Do 4 more of these. So this is our warm up. Once we are done with the warm up, let's get into the workout now. So for the workout, we are doing 4 5-minute sprints. So each 5-minute sprint, we'll be doing a 2-minute run. If you have space, you can run outside for 400 meters, or you can just run for 2 minutes in your place, or you can just move here and there in your place. And then after running, we are doing 50 mountain climbers. Then we are doing 10 plank rows, and then we are ending with 5 tempo squats. So for running, I only have little bit space here in my home. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run there and back for 2 minutes. So like this. If you don't have space, you can just keep running for 2 minutes like this. And the second one, we are doing 50 mountain climbers. For the mountain climber, we are getting into high plank position, and then you will move your legs, alternate, just like you're running in this position, like this. Make sure your butt is low and then your core is engaged, like this. After mountain climbers, we are doing 10 plank rows. For the plank rows, we are getting into a high plank position. Make sure the wrists are directly under the shoulders, and then your butt is low, your core is engaged, and then we are doing rows here. So these two will make the count 1. We are doing 10 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, in this fashion. So this is our third movement. And the fourth one, we are doing 5 tempo squats. So for the tempo squats, we are doing the regular A squats, but we are adding a tempo. So we are moving slow on the squats. So we are adding 5 seconds when we go down, and then 5 seconds in the squat position, and then 5 seconds to get back up. So if you see, I'm counting the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm pausing here for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm getting up with 5-second tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't move like 1, 2, 3, like that. Don't make in between pauses. Just go with the flow like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. We're doing the regular A squats with tempo added. So we're doing 5 of that. So our workout is 2 minutes run in place, run outside for 400 meters, then 50 mountain climbers, then 10 plank rows, and then 5 tempo air squats. So these are the 4 movements in 5 minutes, and once you are done, you get the remaining time for your recovery, and then we are getting back on the 6 minute again. If you want to scale it a little bit, we can add a 1 minute mandatory rest in between each 5 minute sprint. So I'm going to do one quick round. So I'll start with 2 minute run. I'm setting the timer on. Okay, I'm just running in place here. So this is our workout for today. This is one 5-minute sprint. The remaining time in this 5 minute will go for our recovery, and then we are doing 3 more times. So we are repeating this for 3 more times. So totally 4 5-minute sprints. Here is our quarantine tip for today. Cook your favorite dish on your own and then have it along with your loved ones. So this is a workout for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. See you.